Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make banana bread, and it's going to be very easy, and the cake is going to have a lot of banana flavor. So without further ado, let's get started. So over here I have 4 bananas which are very ripe. It's best to use the overripe bananas. As you can see, mine is spotted. This is how overripe bananas look. It's going to be very easy to mash the bananas because all the starch is converted into sugar, so they'll mash up very easily. Once done, I'm going to be using a masher to mash up my bananas. You can use a fork, but today I want to use a masher because my bowl is deep. So you can mash the bananas into a fine paste, or you can leave chunks of banana. Today I'm going to leave small chunks of banana. You can see how fast that was because the bananas are overripe. Once done, I'm going to add in my margarine. You can use margarine or butter. And then I'm going to crack in 2 eggs. Mix the eggs together with the margarine and the banana. Make sure the bananas, eggs, and margarine are well combined. The good thing about banana bread is it's not a must to use a hand mixer. You can just use a spatula like I'm doing and you're good to go. I'm going to add in my vanilla essence, a teaspoon of vanilla, and it's starting to smell so awesome in here. So as I mix, I'm going to start adding in my dry ingredients. So I'm going to add in sugar, mix into my wet ingredients, just like that. So the bananas are going to add a lot of sugar because they are already sweet. So you can reduce the amount of sugar listed in the description box because it is 3/4 cup of sugar. Maybe you can add 1/2 cup if you don't like your cake too sweet. Once combined and everything is nice, I'm going to add in salt. Next, baking powder. Mix in. And then I'm going to add my flour in intervals. You can double up the amount of ingredients listed in the description box and make a big banana cake. Finish off adding the flour, and then I'm going to fold in. Make sure I go to the bottom of the bowl. The batter should be thick, just like mine. So before you get started making the banana bread, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Mine is already preheated. Once done, I'm going to pick my loaf pan, and then I'm going to spray. If you don't have the cooking spray, you can butter your pan. And then I'm going to transfer the butter into the tin. This smells so good. Make sure I get everything from the bowl. And then I'm going to try and spread the butter into the tin, just like that, because I want a nice and even banana bread. Once done, I'm going to be baking my cake for around 50 minutes. And to check if your cake is well baked, you can insert a skewer in the cake, and once it comes out clean, your cake is ready. So I'm going to be baking mine for 50 minutes. My banana cake is ready, and it has been cooling on the cooling rack for about 20 minutes. So once the cake was from the oven, I let the cake sit in the pan for around 10 minutes before removing, and then I used my cooling rack to cool the cake completely. So it's very nice. So I'm going to transfer, it's very nice and cool. So I'm going to transfer my cake to my board over here, and then look how amazing my cake is looking, baked to perfection. So I'm going to slice in my banana cake, and yeah, just look at that. It's very soft and fluffy in the inside and has a very nice crust on top. You can spot the chunks of banana in the inside because yeah, I didn't totally mash up my bananas. So I'm going to totally enjoy my banana bread with some tea in the evening, and it's going to be very, very delicious. So try out this amazing recipe, share with a friend, and yeah, enjoy your banana bread.